What's up, guys? Today we're at the farm. We're in front of the farmhouse that's behind me. We're right by the street. And today, instead of doing like a farm upkeep or a spring cleanup, I'm actually going to be focusing on a showcase area, something for cars to pass by and give kind of an idea of what we sell. From the front of the farm, you can't really tell what we sell. It just says the farm name, and that's about it. So today we're going to be focusing on cleaning up the front area and putting a specific kind of plants that we sell right in front of it, right by the street. So every single car that passes by can clearly see what we sell. So as you can see behind me, there's already some sort of showcase area that's already been established here. We have the black tarp to keep the weeds down, and we have the irrigation lines. Also already have some plants back here. We have white pines right here and some boxwoods over there. But my plan is just to bring everything a little bit more forward after cleaning off the tarp in the very, very front, just to give it more of an organized look for the cars that are passing by. Now, it probably doesn't look like I actually did anything right there, but I did a lot. I took all of the weeds that had been poking through the tarp, which, by the way, the tarp's about 20 years old. So I took all of the weeds that were sticking through it and just threw them on the side. And my hope is the next time it rains, which should be later today, is the weeds and the dirt that have now been moved around a bit will actually now wash away. Wishful thinking. Now I have to go around the farm and find the best plants I have for the showcase. I'm gonna start off first with the easy ones, the green giants that I have up front. I'm just gonna put them on the back of the truck, and then I'm gonna go around the corner. I'll probably end up taking like 8 of these. That's 8. I'm gonna do 2 more. That's 10 green giants right there. I'm gonna go around the corner now. Since I only grow about 5 to 10 different kinds of plants on the farm, and half of those are actually in ground, and I don't really have them in pots, this is gonna be a relatively easy job. I just need to find 5 to 10 of the best looking versions of those plants. So I'm here around the corner, and these are a lot of the plants that we have. We have a lot of blue spruce, white spruce, Norway spruce, and balsam fir, which are all sorts of Christmas trees that you could use. Now, this part of the property is mainly the Christmas tree farm part of the property, but we also have over there, the yellow plant are a golden threaded cypress, and next to them are hollies that are in horrible condition. Also past these, we have barberry bushes, which I will grab some of those as well. With a lot of these plants, what I need to do more of now is separate them, because as you can see, the growth is pretty horrible on these plants right now. And I think that's from them being squished together too much and not having enough room to grow wider. some of the hollies that I tried to rescue about a month ago. They do not look like they're gonna pull through, which is kind of sad because there's a lot of them right there. So right in front of us are Leyland cypress. They're a fairly popular plant. They're for privacy. They grow pretty large. As you can see, about half of these are just completely dead. I think the problem is that I'm growing them too close together. I need to leave some space in between them. There's some more ones over here, but they actually grow like huge, like 20 feet tall. You've probably seen them all over the place. Not exactly sure how I'm going to design this front showcase area, but I'm just gonna get started. I've brought the truck, I've backed it up right in front of the showcase area, and let's get started. Sorry for that. I was interrupted by a man coming by and offering me $3 million to buy this piece of property. If someone's just gonna offer me $3 million, that's gotta be like a sign that maybe it's worth more than $3 million. I don't know. So this is the finished product of the showcase area. We have the boxwoods with the Leyland cypress next to it. We have the low-hanging juniper, which I always find super funky and Japanese sort of like. We have the barberries in the back, which need to be pruned. We have right up front the golden leaf cypress, and right here our most popular green giants, next to some Colorado blue spruce and behind some Norway spruce. I also have these pyramidical, I guess they're junipers. I'm not really sure what they are, but either way, they need to be sheared, but other than that, they look great. And these, I have no idea what they are, but I'm just gonna sell them for $25 each and hope they sell. Y'all, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to smash the like button and leave a comment. Also, make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. See you later.